Now we are at Shobha Apartments, and this is one of the 3-bedroom flats we have just handed over. I would like to explain you in detail whatever we have done here. So dear friends, now we are in the foyer area, and coming to the Shobha Apartment. In this particular place, the way they have planned is once we enter the living room, directly we can see the dining place, and towards my right hand side there is a living room, and towards the left hand side there is a kitchen. So we wanted not to give it a claustrophobic feel, but yet a warm feeling in the space. So we have planned all the furniture as much sleek as possible. Towards my left hand side we have given a shoe rack which is having L shape with a very low seat. And towards my right hand side what you can see is a step-by-step partition which gives you the difference between the living and the dining. And coming to this side, you can see a huge wall which is decorated with a TV unit, and this particular couple wanted a dedicated space to keep their books, hence a tall cabinet has been provided to keep the books here. And you can just have a look around wherein we have given a couple of shelves. And coming to the TV unit, in the TV unit we have done a 4-inch wall paneling having a very tint of brown shade, and the either side of the wall paneling has been covered with a very nice gypsum wall paneling with the circular niches having the same color of the wall paneling, so which is giving you a very good look. Coming to the ceiling, as you all know, we are very fascinated in designing the ceiling especially, and we have taken a zigzag shape here, and everywhere we have provided a provision for the co-light with a couple of spotlights. And towards this side, this is a backrest for the sofa, and we have decorated this particular wall with a nice wallpaper and a nice fancy light to the wall. Let me take you to the dining room now. So in the dining room, you can just have a look at the false ceiling once again here, and the overall look of the false ceiling as well as the look of the false ceiling here is having the same theme. We are using the rafters and a couple of spotlights with the co-light all around. Towards my left hand side, again this wall we have decorated very nicely with the wallpaper, and you can just see a cabinet. This is a proper unit. In this proper unit we have provided a couple of open cabinets with drawers, and on the top cabinets we have given the frosted glass so that you can display your cup and saucer and other things. You can just have an overall look of the living room once before I explain you about what we have done in another part of the house. So coming to the kitchen, we have a typical L-shaped kitchen here where cooking range is towards my right hand side and a sink is towards my left hand side. As you always know that a kitchen will be designed in an isosceles triangle roll, so this is right here and this is right here. And the way we have planned this particular kitchen is towards our left hand side we have given a tall cabinets with the shelves inside it so that we can store more of atta, rice, chawal, whichever the heavy items are there. And right below the hob we have given a provision for the bottle pull-out and cup and saucer, thali and a basket pull-out. And here we have given a couple of cabinets with the shelves in it. So coming to the top cabinets, the client were very particular about having open shelves because she wanted all the items to be displayed and easily accessible always, and hence we have given open planks and a provision for a micro oven, and end-to-end loft has been given above. Let me take you to the master bedroom now. So let me explain you in detail what we have done in the master bedroom. We have kept the theme in the master bedroom very simple and minimalistic. Towards my right hand side we have proposed a very sleek slider wardrobe of around 8 feet in length and 7 feet in height. You can just have a look at the wardrobe. The way we have planned is we have given a couple of shelves and 2 sleek drawers and a hanger provision on the top. And above we have given an end-to-end loft. This side we have proposed a TV unit with a 4-inch wall paneling, as you always know, that is to conceal the wires, and a study table over here. Also you can just have a look around the false ceiling. In the false ceiling again we have maintained simple sleek straight lines with the 2 rafters connecting this false ceiling. So you can just feel feel the warmth of the bedroom. And over here we have proposed a dressing table with single drawer at the base. Let me take you to the guest bedroom now. So in the guest bedroom, since the space of the guest bedroom was very small, like around 12 by 13 in size, we haven't given much of the furniture unit in this particular bedroom. Then we have just proposed a typical openable wardrobe. Just have a look at the wardrobe. There are a couple of shelves and drawers on it, and on one of the door we have proposed a dressing unit. Just you can have a look at the false ceiling also. And let me take you to the kids' bedroom now. So as you always know, the kids are very fond of this pink color, purple color, blue color, and in this particular bedroom we have tried with a combination of a red and white color. And towards my left hand side you can see a huge wall which is decorated with a funky pink wallpaper, and rest of the wall, just to maintain the same decor, we have painted with a pink color. And a study table has been planned in such a way that the white top with a red plank in it, and the wardrobe is also having the same reflection of the colors, that is red and white. And coming to the false ceiling, you can also see a funky fan here with a combination of a pink and blue color. And false ceiling also we have maintained very simple, minimalistic, which is secluded to a very corner wherein I have taken an L shape with a concealed piece in between. So that was about the interiors which we have done at Shobha. For further information regarding Bonito designs, you can log on to our website bonito.in, and also you can keep following us on Facebook as well as YouTube videos. Thank you. Bye bye.